Hello, my name is Samantha Owens, and I'm a pre-K teacher. This is my fourth year of teaching pre-K, and right now I'm at a little child care center in Temple, Georgia, which is located in Carroll County, and that's about an hour west of Atlanta. This is the start of my third semester in my master's program in educational psychology, gifted and creative education. On this slide, I just included a picture of myself. Then there's a picture of my daughter, Arlen. She is 3.5. So my introduction overview, I'll be talking about personal and professional insights into creativity, a memorable creativity issue, and then my most and least favorite aspect of engaging diversity and equity issues. So personal and professional insights into creativity. So others often label me as creative. I'm a lot of times the go-to person at any job I've ever had, teaching or otherwise, when something needs to be made or created. I'm definitely that person who will buy $92 worth of craft supplies to design and create my own piece rather than spending $7 at the store for something mass-produced. I think I just really love the creative process, and I find it satisfying to work with my hands and to create something original from start to finish. Then in the professional realm, my classroom is very open-ended for creativity. Formal assessments, rubrics, grading, that isn't a huge thing in pre-K. So my 4 and 5-year-old students have big imaginations that aren't yet stifled by factors affecting older kids. It doesn't embarrass them yet to make guesses, experiment, and think outside the box. Most haven't developed a fear of academic failure yet, so they're just beginning in school. So I try to nurture their creativity and imagination as much as I can. A memorable creativity issue. A big issue I've seen and heard about when it comes to creativity is one's ability to generate creative ideas versus their ability to actually execute those ideas. When coworkers come to me for help with creative projects like bulletin boards, for example, they'll tend to say, I have ideas, I just don't have the skills to make it look like I see it in my head. So sometimes there can be a discrepancy between one's imagination and their ability to develop their creative ideas, which I think can lead students into stifling their creativity because they feel that they can't properly bring it to life. So what's the point? Other things you might hear from people like this having that type of issue, they might think that, I have an idea, but that would be too hard or complicated. There's no way I could bring that to life. I can't make that happen. I don't have the know-how or the skills to do that. Or, I can't make it look right, so I bet someone better than me could pull it off. And then moving on to aspects of engaging with diversity and equity issues. My favorite thing is I really love learning about backgrounds other than my own, working with children from all walks of life. And then I feel lucky to get the opportunity to advocate for underrepresented students and watching them shine once they are placed where they need to be. But then in my least favorite, definitely having to face others that don't understand the need for diversity and equity in gifted education, and they're really set in their ways. The potential for confrontation and debate, it really makes me nervous, so much so that oftentimes I tend to be quiet about it instead of being more outspoken, and that's definitely something I would like to change about myself the more I learn about diversity and equity issues, especially throughout this class. So that's my intro. Looking forward to working with everyone this semester.